Hi, safety professionals. You can do lot of contribution for the environment side. Now, the HSC is an integrated form like health, safety, and environment is integrated. So, the environment knowledge and the environment contribution is a vital and it needs to be done for all the professionals. Then, what are the area you can contribute? You can contribute for saving the electricity, water, and fuel. This electricity and fuel is always vital because it's a non renewable resources. Water is very important. It's a basis for the life. So you have to take steps wherever in the organization how you are saving the electricity, how you are saving the water, how you are saving fuel. That should be exhibited, and you must have a records and reports how you are monitoring and conserving these resources. Then how you are handling the waste, that also very important, whether the recycling things are recycling things you are doing or not. That things are very important because you have to segregate the waste in terms of non-recyclable and recyclable materials, especially the hazardous materials and non-hazardous. We can say biodegradable, non-biodegradable. So non-biodegradable means what are the plan you have, how you are disposing, what kind of report you have, and how you are monitoring, what are the steps you are taking. And biodegradable materials means how you are decreasing the biodegradable things, and how uh, actively or usefully you are doing the biodegradable materials like a domestic waste. Then you how you are handling the hazardous waste in the organization, and how you are handling, how you are disposing the hazardous waste, how you are handling the recycling materials, and also how much the hazardous materials like plastics you are using. In case you are using the plastic means you have any alternatives in that, and you are contributing for recycling, and you are using 5R effective technology in your company before going for waste. Is it you are reusing, recycling, repurposing, these things and all you are following, then only you are finally disposing. So these things must be exhibit, and the environmental awareness within your organization must be visible by means of exhibiting the posters and pamphlets and notice boards everywhere. There should be a automatic water dispensers, and also the fuel controllers, and how the environmental training given to all the employees. So these things all monitored. And then how environmental housekeeping, the speaking as safety professionals, the environmental housekeeping very important. How the biodegradable, non biodegradable waste are segregated, how it's labeled and kept in a separate place for disposing. And in case of chemical spillage, oil spillage, what's your immediate action, what kind of action you are doing in the ground, and how you are disposing that waste. And then in case of wastewater, what you are doing and how you are constructively doing that water. Is it zero discharge or sending to someone? If sending to someone, someone approved contractor means what record you have. And also the in case of environmental emergency, what are the plan you have. So these all the things you must know it being a safety professional, sir. The environmental awareness is very important, in which the noise, in case of what is the permissible limit for industrial areas, above 80 decibel means what are the PPE you provided to the people, and how much you are controlling the noise. That's very important. and also the air. In case of air pollution, any fumes or any dust, how you are controlling, what kind of records and what kind of monitoring things you have, that things you must have. In case of soil, any discharge, any chemical discharge, any oil discharge, what will be your remedial action, how you are monitoring, how you are containing, that things you must have. And also radiation is there now, how you are containing and how controlling the radiation pollutions. Apart from that, different kinds of winds and also the various chemical hazards, how you are handling and how you are safely disposing. Then what will be your green build for your company, how much plants you are planting and growing around the industry, and what are the steps you are taking to improve the environmental conditions, environmental cleaning and conditions, how you are improving. These things all must know it. Being a safety professionals, you have records, monitoring things, you must have records. Apart from that, overall environmental handling, how cleanly, neatly you are keeping the restrooms, and then labor areas and working areas, and overall organization, housekeeping, environmental housekeeping methods. This all is a vital role. Being a safety professional, they must know it. This all comes under the environmental points and credit points. You will get it, that will make you to get ISO 14001 and also the good environmental points for your organizations. Thank you.